How to lock your Android screen instantly. This tutorial shows you how to turn off your screen quickly without using the power button. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap Accessibility. After that, tap Interaction and Dexterity. At this point, tap Assistant menu and toggle it on to enable it. From here, a small floating button will appear on your screen that you can drag and reposition anywhere you want. Following this, tap that floating button to open the Assistant menu, and you'll see a Screen Off button alongside other options like volume controls. After that, tap Screen Off to instantly lock your screen without needing to reach for the power button. Finally, the floating button stays on screen at all times, so you can lock your device quickly from any app or screen whenever you need to. That's how you lock your Android screen instantly. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!